Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Sunny Shark 32. So we have here another figure. It's quite, the box is not, it's already open. I got it so cheap. This is not the right price. I got it like $5. So cheap from a thrift store. This is a Netflix Masterverse lineup, Masters of the Universe Revelation. He is Faker, made by Mattel. Here's what he looks like in the side of the box. This is Faker looks like. This is your evil robot of Skeletor that looks like He-Man. Look like over here. It's a pit lineup. If you want to wave like this: Battle Cat, Skelegod, He-Man, Mossman, Skeletor, and Evelyn. He looks like a robot, but he is the Faker. Evil robot Skeletor. Let's read the description here. Of all the deadly minions of Skeletor's disposal, Faker's mastery of deception and destruction makes him among the most dangerous. The cybernetic doppelganger of He-Man takes on the appearance of Eternia's most powerful protector, fooling many heroes, including the sorceress of Greyskull herself. By the time the heroes discover the Faker's true nature, it may be too late. So he's like a what do you call it? Mystique is shape-shifting, looking like He-Man, but he's not. He is a Faker. I don't know why they put him Faker. He's a fake He-Man. You can name him anything. Faker. Somebody open this one because there's no time. But they love time, so got it for $5. So this is where I'm starting with. This figure looks like the robotic effect of He-Man. There's a He-Man on the right side, robotic on the left, like damage. The shadowing of the head sculpt is good. You almost are like a robot. And he wears this. Where does he wear this one? I think he wears this on the chest, on his shoulder and chest plate. But I don't like how they make this one. It looks like a horde here. Horde symbol. There's another head sculpt of Faker with the red eyes, complete He-Man disguise. And this one is the complete robot. This is not a disguise anymore. It's a robot. Should we change it to this? This is much better. Half and half. Since this is a Faker, we can remove the closed fist on the right hand. It's hard. There we go. And let's put it over here. It's a little twist. There we go. Let's put the fake sword over here, the fake power sword. And he has oh, you cannot put it here because he has armor here. So you put the sword to the left, to the left, and the shield on the right. So let's put it more forwardly. There. So he's holding the shield on the right, sword on the left. There. Close that one like that. And he's able to stand by himself. Yes, he can stand. So this is Faker, He-Man in disguise, one of the robot of Skeletor. Nice figure. The only thing is overall is good as a Faker He-Man. What do you think? Do you agree that he's a good figure? Comment down below. The thing is, I don't like this, so that's fine. We have a lot of useless accessories here. I like the head sculpt though. This one I like. Extra hands okay. This one, you have to put more emphasis on shadowing, more realistic paint for this. Alright guys, thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and peace!